Hello again and welcome to Randai Hobby channel. Let's just jump into a two-way split view of a 3D printing time-lapse. Can you guess what I am 3D printing over here? Pause the clip and give your opinion in the comments below. What? You know what it is about from the title? Well, I need more intriguing titles. Look at that string! It is dancing. I made it dance. Can you give me a like and also subscribe? Come on, smash that subscribe button. It really helps. What? You do not like the dance? Well, there is also the dislike button. I will do my best next time. So what is this? Let's rotate and check it in its natural position. Oh, it is a hook. Who could have guessed that? Have you guessed that correctly? But now, the tricky question. It is a hook. But a hook for what? Let me know in the comments. Never mind, it is in the title, so let's just get on with the video. So it is a nice day outside. You are cruising with your electric scooter and a bag on one of your fingers. Okay. Long story short, all methods of holding the bag, either holding it with your hand or just one finger for that matter, or putting it on one of the handles, it's just a bit awkward. We need something cool. This is where the hook comes into play. Yes, I guess you already figured that out. Now, until I screw this hook in its place, using the screws that are already on the scooter, you can give this video a like, or get a coffee or something. Oh look, I made it! All screwing around done! This is quite cool. Okay, so let's test this. Up, up, and away we go. And come back. Do you like it? There are many 3D models like this, but this one is very good because it is quite sturdy and it is printed flat to give it extra physical resistance. Link in the description. I hope you enjoyed. I invite you to watch my other videos